dito kasi ingkit match. Wala akong partner. Okay na, nakuha na phone number. Okay, pag magsa-substitution po, kapakita niyo yung number niyo pag magpapasab ha. Coaches and Captain Bolza.
Okay.
Ready for jumbo. You're the jersey number 8. How old is jersey number? Two points.
Iba na matangkad.
A 2-point game start for chapter 1. Here comes Noco. Fast for 3. And Jonathan Noco. 3. A P to 2. Here comes jersey number 10. 2 points. Back to jersey number 26. Here comes Dimaano with a basketball. Finding his teammates. Noco again. 2 points. Noco. Score 5-4 in favor of chapter 2. Here comes jersey number 8. On the inside. Nice pass. Block shot. 4 on the shot clock. 4 on the shot clock. Jersey number 4, that's his first personal foul, first team foul.
Tagal pa. Tagal pa laban.
On his second attempt. Rebound by jersey number 58. Good. Bola po ng chapter 2 to jersey number 22. Lead back to jersey number 8. There's the foul whistle. Whistle at 26. Jersey number 26. That's his first personal foul. Second team foul.
Maraming gagraduate dyan.
Back to jersey number 5 again. 14 on the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 68. 9 on the shot clock. Amaro onto the middle side. Jumper. Good. 2 points. Jersey number 26. And jersey number 8. Too strong. Rebound by Noco. Steal again. Go. Rebound by Noco. Pass to Dimaano. Back to Arcelo. Here comes Saliba. Here comes jersey number 22. Crisostomo. Spence. 2 points. 8-5. A 3-point game. Time remaining 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Hindi ano.
Here comes jersey number 8. 16 on the shot clock. Out of bounds. Turnover. Here comes Noco with the jumper. No. And there's the... Here comes jersey number 8. Finding his teammate. 17 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Here comes jersey number 8. Nice pass. 2 points. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Here comes Dimaano again. Fakes. Here comes Arcelo with a jumper. Short. Rebound by Noco. Bola po ng chapter 1. Here comes jersey number 5. 20 on the shot clock. Go. Bola po ng chapter 2. Here comes jersey number 58. 2 points. Same ball. Lead pass to jersey number 22, lays it in. And wow. The ball to jersey number 23. Steal. Lays it in. No. Rebound by Napo. Good. Out of bounds. Chapter 2 will take possession. Jersey number 3. Here comes jersey number 58, taking his time. Use the shot call on the game clock. 19 on the shot clock. Tapping in, violation. Substitution. Here comes jersey number 8 on the run. Lays it in. 2 points. Here comes Umali. Lays it in. And there's the foul. A minute. Who's fouled left? Foul by jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. That's his first personal foul. Third team foul. Left on the first quarter. Ready for sublet. There's the foul whistle. Who's fouled left? Foul by jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, that's his third personal foul. Rebound is on miss. No. There's the foul whistle. Who's fouled it? Here comes jersey number 8. 15 on the shot clock. With the jumper. 2 points. 2 minutes and 50 seconds left on the first quarter. Back to Holon. With the jumper. No. 2 minutes and 35 seconds left on the first quarter. Here comes jersey number 58. Miscommunication, out of bounds.
Side ball, side ball. Side ball.
Here comes jersey number 12. Back to jersey number 21. Colon. 19 on the shot clock. Backboard violation. Substitution. Ngayon, flash po ng camera, ate. Flash po ng camera. Thank you po. Here comes jersey number 8, Amoro. Back to jersey number 58, first for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Holon. Here comes jersey number 25. Last 2 minutes from the first quarter. Nice pass. No. Here comes jersey number 8. Bola po ng shot.
Tatlong oras ka na eh. Dapat tatlo ulit.
Jersey number 8. Jersey number 28, far for 3. Too strong. 16 on the shot clock. Substitution. Rebound by jersey number 21. No. Good shot. Go. Ball by the jersey number 21. 4 on the shot clock. Good. Ball upon chopper 2. Miscommunication. Out of bounds. Turnover. Back to jersey number 26. 18 on the shot clock. Cross-court pass. Who's fouled up? Offensive foul by jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. That will be his 4th personal foul. 13th foul. 1 and 4 foul now. Substitution.
Sabi sa'yo, wala pang second half eh. Graduate na kayo.
Here comes jersey number 10. 2 points. Back to jersey number 26. Here comes Di Marano. Finding Arcelo onto the side. Bang! 3 points for jersey number 12. Last 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Rebound by jersey number 26. Jersey number 21. Jersey number 10. No. Rebound by jersey number 24. Back to jersey number 8. Rebound by Arcelo. Here comes Snowcomb on the run. Jersey number 23.
Kasi dapat timiran niya, gagalangin siya.
Out of bounds. Symbol. Jersey number 10.
Galing na yan, yung mga sa barangay. Masyado, ano na eh,
Wala pa ng shot for 1. Substitution.
Bro! Ka nakakashoot eh! Bro! Bro Chanel! Yes!
Here comes jersey number 22. Jersey number 21. Steal.
Nagawang!
Here comes Di Marano. Finding Noco. 2 points.
Gaganti yan. Gaganti yan kay Janel.
4 minutes and 15 seconds left on the second quarter.
Gaganti yan kay Janel.
Here comes jersey number 5. Leave it in. No. 2 points for jersey number 21. Back to jersey number 24. Back to jersey number 12. 17 on the shot clock. Here comes Reyes. Jersey number 16. Same ball. 8 on the shot clock.
Hindi pa sila pagod! Pagod na yan, hindi na makakatakbo yan!
14 on the shot clock. Wala pa ng chapter 1. Steal by jersey number 23. Here comes number 8. Here comes Amaro. Finding jersey number 22. Spins. Steal. Here comes Noco on the run. With the jumper. Good. Finding 2. Back to jersey number 8. Lays it in. Rebound by jersey number 21. 2 points.
Luigi na naman. Natamaan.
Back to jersey number 16. Finding Arcelo, version 3. Go. Rebound by jersey number 5. To jersey number 8. Lays it in. Go. Everybody don't miss. Go! Number 1, jersey number 5. Jersey number 16 again. 18 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Here's Tom Reyes. Finding Noble. And there's the foul whistle. Called by jersey number 20. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 21. Nice pass. 2 points. Here comes jersey number 23 again. Out of bounds. Bola para after 1. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Ready for sublet. There's the foul again. Called by jersey number 23. Jersey number 23, that's his first personal foul. 14 foul, warning for penalty. Substitution.
Buti na hindi ako sumali, mapapagod ako eh.
There's the foul whistle. Called by jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. That's his third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty po. Penalty po. Last 2 minutes. No. Bola po ng chapter 2. Here comes jersey 16. Back to Noble, first for 3. Goal.
Malagi.
Jersey number 3, jump shot. Goal. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here comes Cancelo. 14 on the shot clock. Di Maano. Shot fake to Reyes. 5-15. No. Wala pa ng shot for 2. Substitution. Jersey number 3. 5-15. No. Back to jersey number 3 again. Here comes jersey number 16 on the run. 16. The jersey number 23. Last 29 seconds. No. Marcelo. Finding Reyes. Bola po ng chapter 1. Last 18 seconds. Last 18 seconds. Jersey number 10. Go. Go. Rebound. Last 5 seconds. 1. That's the end of the second.
Pinakayan. Ano po yun? Kasi dati po, sa pagmunari ng dati po yun. Nawala po yung mas manigado. Wala po nung ano yun eh. Bago yung pandemic. 28. Hanggang ngayon po, hawa na
Here comes jersey number 58. Pass to jersey number 21. 2 points. Jump shot. Goal. Last 5 minutes and 55 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Steal by jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 12. No. Pass to 3. No. Jersey number 58 again. Steal. Timeout. Chapter 1. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Here comes Reyes. Steal. Jersey number 8. 2 points. And there's the foul committed. Called by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Here comes jersey number 14. Down to jersey number 23. And jersey number 26. 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. No! Rebound by jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. Stop and go 3. Bang! 2 points for jersey number 14. No! 2 points. Here comes jersey number 14. Jersey number 26. Timeout. Jersey number 58. Back at it again. 14 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. And there's a foul committed. Who's fouled up? Called by jersey number 23. Jersey number 23, that's his 3rd personal foul. 13 foul. 2 minutes and 6 seconds po. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Jersey number 58. No. Last 2 minutes. Back to jersey number 8. 9 on the shot clock. Gatos. Rebound on jersey number 16. Jersey number 16, Reyes. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. 1:35 po. 1 and 35. Ready for Sabre. 14 on the shot clock.
Ano ba yung pasa?
Jersey number 10 with the jumper. No. Bola po now. Chapter 1. Stop po. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Here comes jersey number 5. Shots fake. No, rebound by jersey number 16. There's a foul called. Who's fouled it? Here comes jersey number 14. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Ten on the shot clock. 5 for 3. No. I want to jersey number 58.
May foul.
20 on the shot clock. Back to jersey number 21. And there's foul called. Stoppage. 2 shots po para na jersey number 21. Last 37 seconds. Last 37 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Here comes Umani. And there's a foul. Called by jersey number 28. That's the second personal foul. 13 foul. Wala pa pong penalty dito. Wala pa pong penalty. Last 27 seconds na lang po. 27 seconds. Last 27 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. 5 for 3. No.
Hawak!
Peloton jersey number 8. Timeout, Joker Pool. And jersey number 3. 9 on the shot clock. There's a foul call. Who's calling it?
Walang foul!
Who's calling it? Foul. Jersey number 5. That's his third personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Last 5 seconds po.
Okay.
Last 5 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Chapter 1 po, ang champion. Chapter 1 po ang manalo sa men's basketball competition.
Congrats!
Captain Oscar